Hi, my name is Devrat Chaudhary. I just graduated from Politecnico di Milano. I did my course in architecture, building architecture, and right now I am pursuing an internship at ECDM Paris. Okay, so to answer that question, I think I must firstly say that building architecture is a very pragmatic course. So it has different branches, very interdisciplinary in nature, like BIM simulations, you have structural analysis, and more pragmatic courses like that, which help us in the construction field as well. So using all these learnings during my course, I believe I have developed a set of tools which can be implemented in this very fast-paced architectural environment. So I would also like to give an example, a short example, like we use BIM, Building Information Modeling, and in that there's a software called Midas, through which you can actually quickly calculate structural feasibility of any structure, whether it's in the conceptual stage, without involving an expert such as a structural engineer. So this was quite interesting in our course because we delved quite deep into the theoretical aspects. For example, we did some analysis into what exactly is beauty in building architecture or architecture in general. And through this analysis, we delved into some theoretical research as well as some analytical research. And to summarize this learning, maybe I can quote an example of one of my studios, which was designing a theater in Naumburg, Germany. And there we made this trip to Naumburg and we spoke to the locals. We also did our own theoretical research, looking into the local literature, and through this finding the genius loci. And also we collaborated with the municipality officials, finding out the basic on-ground details and requirements. And along with all these intangible research, we also delved into the ground realities which are required in construction, like the assessing of the structural aspects and also thinking about the finer construction details. So, but there is also the sustainability aspect, but which was not a separate thing. It was always implicit in the design. I think this can be summarized well by just briefly explaining my thesis topic, which was the festival of Kumbh in Prayagraj, India. It is a huge festival which attracts a lot of people. Like last year was the year of the festival. It occurs every 12 years. So in 2019, the Kumbh Mela attracted around 15 million people in a period of 2 months. And in that, we chose this as our problem. And within this, as our thesis allows us to pick a specific focus. So for our thesis, we decided to take upon phenomenology in Indian architecture. So we ended up with a design which was Indian, adaptable, which was unintrusive to the environment, and which gave a emotional stimulus harmonious with the social and spiritual expectations. And also it was highly practical because there were high challenging temporal constraints. And also we need to think about the perennial challenges, not just the 2-month period. So it was quite an interesting and challenging project. To conclude, I would just like to say that during my time in Polyme, during this course of building architecture, I learnt more about India and Indian design than I did back when I did my bachelor's here, which says a lot about the research expectations and the comprehension of specific tangible and intangible challenges expected during the course.